Sri Lankan Airlines taxiing on runway for takeoff. Yeti Airlines, Buddha Air and Sri Lankan Airlines taxiing on runway for takeoff. Yeti Airlines. Yeti Airlines passed Sri Lankan Airlines, Buddha Air and Yeti Airlines. ठुलो ल Yeti Airlines. Yeti Airlines with World Library passed Sri Lankan Airlines, Buddha Air and Yeti Airlines 2. Sri Lankan Airlines taxiing on runway for takeoff proceeding. Loaded. Sri Lankan Airlines. Proceeding for takeoff. चारवटा प्लेन Sri Lankan Airlines passed Buddha Air, Yeti Airlines, Buddha Air. Indigo दिल्लीबाट आयो कि मुम्बईबाट आयो हुन्छ हैन Indigo Air passed Buddha Air, Yeti Airlines and Buddha Air landed safely. Yeti Airlines with new library. Buddha Air proceeding. यता अर्को Buddha Air यता आइरहेछ यो सँगसँगै अर्को Yeti Airlines पनि सायद पछाडी होला Buddha Air अर्को Yeti Airlines पनि proceeding for taxiing on runway for takeoff. देखिस् मामा पर येल्लो दुईटा हेलिकप्टर आइरहेछ Yeti Airlines उड्यो हो टेक अफ अर्को पनि त्यसकै पछाडी आइरहेछ हेलिकप्टर ल्यान्डिङ दुईटा हेलिकप्टर येल्लो देखेन देख्यो दुईटा हेलिकप्टर आयो होला दुईटा हेलिकप्टर चारवटा प्लेन ATR सबै हैन Yeti Airlines take off from TIA. Yeti Airlines passed Buddha Air taxiing on runway for takeoff. Yeti Airlines take off. And I has a Buddha Air take off. Buddha Air passed Buddha Air take off from TIA. उडे न यहाँबाट उड्यो है Buddha Airlines ATR 42 landing at TIA 42 तुमलिङ टारबाट आयो होला सायद तुमलिङ टार भनेको Buddha Air ATR 42 passed ATR 72 landed safely at TIA.
दुई बज्यो
कहाँ मोड्यो Dash passed Buddha Air ATR 72-500 and Dash 8Q400 landed safely at TIA. Yeti Airlines passed Buddha Air and Dash 8Q400 landed safely. takeoff from TIA. Dash proceeding for takeoff. Turn right. 20 landing. होइन फेरि यतै घुमायो त. Dash ready for takeoff. Dash past Buddha Air ATR 72. Dash takeoff. Buddha Air takeoff. Buddha Air takeoff from TIA.